2008 Cadillac Escalade. Pull a whole interior out of this thing. Like front seats, door panels, all the power. And we are going to put it in this thing, a reg cab short box. So day 2 of ripping the interior of the Cadillac. Here's where we're at. Got the dash out, the gas pedals, pretty much taking all the wiring and gonna cut out what I don't need for, like, say, the back seats and the TV and stuff. So yeah, there's probably gonna be some codes or maybe dash lights, but I'll eliminate those. Here's the window stuff, heater box, dash and seats console. It's coming. It's a lot of wiring. I gotta take all the heated seats and cooled seats stuff out. I'm gonna cut the carpet probably about right there. And yeah, we'll keep ripping and see how far we get today. There's a lot of stuff. A lot of it I'm not gonna need, like park assist and stuff like that, but like that's for the heated seats, heated and cooled seats. All the window stuff. This is the harness. So this would go to the back doors. I just cut it. I'm just gonna strip the harness because I'm not gonna need that. Same with that. Park assist, I'll just leave that, but strip that harness. And then rip this ugly interior out. It's actually not too bad of shape, but well, that's what we're left with. That's what's under your seats. Freaking gross. So now we will do door panels, dash, and everything else. Okay, day 3. So we got the power window stuff in. It was hard lining up these bolts. I actually had to power up the window motor and let the window down a little bit, and I was able to line everything up. The heater box looks to be the same as the other one. The part number, everything looks to be the same, so I think I'm just going to leave this one in. There's no point in switching it out. I gotta take the brake pedal off, get the power one on. I'm gonna leave all of the wires for the headliner. I don't have anything else. I need wires from the Escalade. I was looking at it. Just gonna leave it. So I got the wiring harness out. So this is the one from the short box. ABS, or sorry, the airbag. And then that's basically it. And then that's the Cadillac one. So we got to do a little modifying to that. The Cadillac has all these wires right here, and they're going up. Like this one has like airbags over top, but I'm not putting those in. And this one has like voice command and all this, sunroof and all this, but I'm not using any of those wires. Just gonna use what's in the short box. And then it looks like I'll probably have to weld. The short box doesn't have any of these tabs for all the sensors and stuff. It doesn't have the tab for the sub, but I don't know if I'm gonna use the Bose. I probably won't even use the Bose sub. I'll just leave it out. The master cylinder too. The Cadillac one has a couple plugs in it for, I guess, maybe vacuum and stuff. I already got this unbolted, so I'm going to put the Cadillac one in. So it should bolt right in. Just marking all of the new studs I gotta weld on for all the boxes that this truck never came with. This one goes here. So I think there's 8 or 10 studs I gotta weld on. And then once I got that, I'll probably weld this cover for the old manual transfer case. And then I'm going to strip this harness out of all these wires that I don't need. And then once that's in, I can give the carpet a good, or I could lay down the sound dampener, all the wires are underneath. I can give the carpet a really good shampoo, or I probably won't shampoo it, I'll probably just vacuum it really good. And then put the carpet in, and then tonight, once I get some help, we'll put the dash in. It's kind of a 2-person job. It's kind of heavy and clumsy, but okay, now I just put them where I needed them when my works are. And no grab. Down there. Down there. Never finished. No weld, no ground. Blew through there. It's too hot. Way too hot. Didn't even get a chance. So I stripped the harness. That's the interior harness. So when I pulled it out of the other truck, I basically cut it at the back door. So everything that went to the back of the truck for the Escalade, I'm not really gonna need because it's a regular cab. So my thought was cut the wires, follow all the wires to where they go. Radio wires, heated seats, everything in the back. And then D-pin the harness. So I did that on both sides, and then that's all the wires that came out. So in theory, it might work, should work, I hope it works. And then that's the old harness, but this will be the one that will be going in the truck. I'm no professional, but I'm thinking that should work. And what doesn't work isn't gonna work. I don't need park assist or anything like that, so we're gonna place this thing in the truck. I got everything all everything's all ready and vacuumed, and then I'm gonna place the wiring harness in, and then put the matting down, the carpet. I'll give the vacuum a good vacuum. That's the side. Some of the stuff might be moved. Pretty cool. Right there. Heated seats. Ground. And this one shares that one. This one. Put two onto there, so this one. Oh yeah, this one goes like this. Ground. Seats, and then this is I don't really know where this thing goes. Oh, I think it goes right there. So this has to get taped on. And then the heated seats. Basically, it's your harness. I'll get everything bolted down and then we'll put the matting in. So I got the dash sitting in. I just powered it up. I got all the wire and harness trimmed. And basically, signal lights. I got high beam, low beam, horn. Dome lights, dim. Heater turns on. I just kind of got it all loose in here just to make sure that everything kind of works. Power pedals, do they work? They don't work. Temperature works, pass. Obviously there's a pile of engine lights, but there's going to be, and I don't care because I'm probably just going to get that Holley 12-inch, do that Holley 12-inch screen here, just eliminate all that. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Looking like most of it's gonna work. There's a lot to do still, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool once it's done and up and running. I'll get the carpet. I just took the carpet to the car wash, so it's just drying here. Carpet, and then the back for the back of the cab. Tomorrow I'll throw that in, vacuum it all nice, and then once that's in, I'll put center console and I can put the seats in. But I'm thinking everything's gonna work, so.